Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we're making something really spooky. I'm going to show you how to turn any famous place into a haunted horror scene using Gemini Nano Banana, the new AI image creator that lets you transform photo instantly with just a prompt. And yes, it's totally free and super easy to try this Halloween. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or through the app like this, and then just log in using your Google account. And then next, just tap on create image to activate the Nano Banana, or you can also activate it by tap on tools icon and then create images like this. Next, just upload your famous place, your photo of a famous place, maybe for example Eiffel Tower, Times Square, or even your city landmark. And then in here we're going to turn that cheerful place into something dark, foggy, and haunted, perfect for your Halloween post or AI edits. Next, just tap on plus button and then gallery, and then just choose your photo of your place. And then next, let's writing a prompt. Before, I have already prepared one prompt like this. You can just copy this prompt, but feel free if you want to tweak the prompt to match your styles. Next, I will just copy my prompt, then go back to Gemini, and then paste it, and when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this, just look at this. My photo or the Eiffel Tower just turned into a haunted tower strike out of a nightmare. The lighting looks eerie and the fog makes it feel abandoned. And okay, that's how you can turn famous place into a terrifying Halloween scene using Gemini's Nano Banana. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!